I want to make a few announcements. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Carrie Baldwin. My website is mereliberty.com, but you might have also seen me on the Libertarian Christian Institute. I'm one of the co-authors of the book, Faith Seeking Freedom, Libertarian Christian Answers to Tough Questions. I wanted to make an announcement about some updates to what I'm doing with my website and with my courses. Some of you have been following me for a while know that I've got my Liberty Seminar, which are my online courses teaching critical thinking using the Socratic method. So these are at my website, mereliberty.com, and I have two reasons why I have my website. The first is as a place to publish my work, publish my research, and my main thing that I'm working on, my main research that I'm working on right now, is a libertarian view of reproductive rights and specifically abortion. And that's been gaining quite a bit of attention ever since I had my Soho Forum debate with Walter Block back in 2018. But the other reason why I created Mere Liberty was so that I could provide you guys with useful resources to challenge and rethink your paradigms, your own paradigms. In fact, that's my mission with Mere Liberty, is to challenge and rethink paradigms. Now, that doesn't mean, or rather what that does mean, is throwing off this pendulum swing, right? This idea that everything fits neatly into a left, right, liberal, conservative, Democrat versus Republican box. I was also recently introduced to the concept of third wayism. I don't know if you've heard about that, but I had to go look it up. And as I read it, it was talking about reconciling the differences between left and right, which, I don't know, 10 years we called that centrism. So I don't think it's anything new. But that's not what I'm doing. I wouldn't even call libertarianism a quote unquote third way as it's been defined. So at any rate, those are the two reasons why I have my website. And I really want to get my research published into a peer-reviewed journal. I've been invited to submit that research. I need to get it finished, and I can't do that without you guys. But I do want to provide that service to you. And so what I've done with my courses is I've adapted them to a somewhat different model. I used to have 3 different courses, one for middle schoolers, one for high schoolers, and one for adults. And then I also created a course called Guiding Critical Thought, which was great for the people that took it, but it didn't really take off. And that's a course that's designed for parents or instructors or anybody really who wants to use the Socratic method to teach others. And so at any rate, the way I'm changing this and adapting this is to do away with the adult course and offer those lessons, including the Guiding Critical Thought lessons, as part of a monthly membership on my website. Now, I've been told that I should charge a lot more for my courses, but in case you're not paying attention, and I'm sure you are, inflation is a nightmare. The costs of everything is going up. And my gut tells me that this needs to be affordable and accessible to people. And so that's what I want to do. I will still have my Liberty Seminar available for middle schoolers and high schoolers. And I hope to update that content in the very near future. But for the time being, if you don't know what the Socratic method is, it's very hard to explain. In fact, you can't explain the Socratic method using the Socratic method. So what I'm doing is I'm offering a free 2-hour workshop for anybody who's interested in this. This is Anybody who's interested in my research, anybody who is interested in signing their kids up for my course, anybody who's interested in incorporating critical thinking into their homeschool curriculum or private school curriculum or whatever. Maybe you host a podcast and you want to learn how to interview better and ask more thoughtful questions. This would also be something for you. So I want to invite you guys to join a free workshop that I'm going to actually, I'm going to put this link in the comments. But I'm going to walk you guys through it. And I'm going to share my screen. Wrong one. There it is. So I'm going to share my screen so you guys can see this. This is where you sign up. It is going to be interactive. This isn't, the Socratic method is not something where you get lectured at. It's something that you engage in. And so there's some information here that you should read through. If you are a parent, you are more than welcome to bring your kids so that they can participate, but it is going to be interactive. And all you do to sign up is click on this number 13 here. That's the date that it's going to be. It's at 1 p.m. Mountain Time or 3 p.m. Eastern Time. You just click on that, hit confirm. You'll fill out your details here, first name, last name, email. Is this something that you're interested in for yourself or your kids or somebody else? Where'd you hear about this? You can sign up for my email list or not. If you want to sign up for my email list, you just select yes, and then there's a little question here that you can answer, and then your cell phone to send you text updates. I do not spam. I do not sell your information to a third party. So that's essentially that. I want to really encourage you guys to do this. I did this workshop with a group of people here locally, and they absolutely loved it. It's 2 hours long, but I walk you through this process and really get you experiencing the Socratic method, perhaps even for the first time. And it's a lot of fun. And it's going to be a great way for me to segue into what it is that I'm offering on my website so that you guys can understand what a value it is, and also how you can even support my research in doing it. So if you have questions, you can always feel free to reach out to me on Facebook Messenger. You can also comment in the comments below. I would love to hear from you.